Okay, let's go again. CaringIsCreepy. So open Sicilian. Okay, knight c3 maybe. Alright. Take on c6, I think I'm now playing e5 now. Nice pawn chain on e5, f4. Statistically I'm doing quite well with this kind of chain. Right, now here. I'll play bishop d2, then I can play bishop z3 if needed. We'll take on d6. If I take on d6, does black really want that ending? Probably. Just knight d3 in fact. Knight d3 or knight c4. Or there's c5. Knight d5. Okay, I think maybe bishop e3. Now if I take, isn't there a potential for c5 winning a piece potentially? Well, I suppose there's always knight d5 though. c5 here though, knight d5, d takes, sorry, c takes d6. Interesting. So bishop takes, queen d4. I think bishop takes, queen d2. Actually, queen d2, yeah. Maybe now, just bishop e2. Right, stop the casting. Right. However, maybe knight d3 here. And then castles queenside. Right, castle queenside here. Or kingside. No, I can't castle kingside. Right. It's knight f4 possible here. So protecting the bishop on e2. And if the queen moves, maybe queen takes d8. Well, there's queen c5 check. Maybe queen c3. Okay. Rook f1 here. I know my queen's in pre, but this might hopefully work. Now queen e3 here, attacking e6, that's good. So knight takes or queen takes. Queen takes might be possible because rook d1, I've got queen d1. But maybe e5. I'll play this one, I think. Okay. Let's check useful? Queen B3 check. Not particularly. G3. I should just move this knight somewhere. But knight e6, queen h6 check, so over here maybe. I've only got a minute 35, so time pressure. Give me the G file. He's got these dangerous pass pawns though. But his king might be in trouble a bit. Queen G5. Some coordination. Alright, for Rook D1 and Rook D7, that looks pretty strong. Try and get on the 7th rank now. Rook D7 anyway, because Queen H6 is also pretty good. So a nice blockade with knight e2 potentially, but now the rook's behind it. So these pawns are kind of dangerous at the moment. Right, Queen h6 here, maybe. So if Rook f7. Okay, that's a good point. Rook f7. Oh, driven back. Okay, knight e2, maybe. If e2 or king v1. King v1 first, then. Okay, well, if the knight comes to e4, that would be dangerous, surely. So first I'll do this. Now knight e2 to f4, potentially. With e7 here. Try and play knight takes f4 if Rook f7. Alright, bring the king in. Was it bringing the king in too risky? I think it is. Oops. Not good. Several pawns up. Oh. Isn't my pawn queening here? Oh, 29 seconds left. Queening here first for check. His king can't make it. So he's 2 pawns up, but does seem to be a fast A pawn. Oh, that was a bit lucky. I have to wake up. Oh dear, that was awful. Yeah, and also what's happening here after d6? I'm not really sure I know the theory of this, so should look it up probably. But he did lose a piece, and it seemed difficult to consolidate. More difficult than it should have been because of these pawns. So winning that pawn was not much comfort here. This ending was just a disastrous decision to go into this ending. 2 pawns up at the A pawn. It's very fast and with check. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.